Whether you are a vendor taking voice orders, a farmer selling produce, a shop owner tracking daily sales, a small restaurant handling customer payments, a woman building her business, or a solopreneur doing everything by yourself, Spendify helps you create professional invoices, update amounts, send bills faster, and stay organized like a real business should. Here's how invoice management works inside Spendify. We begin from the dashboard and head into the invoice section, where users can quickly create and manage invoices for their customers. The first step is to create a customer profile. Here, the user selects the customer type, enters the customer's name, email address, phone number, and fills in location details such as country, state, street, city, and postal code. This makes it easy to store customer information for future invoice use. Once the customer has been added, the next step is to generate a new invoice. The user selects the customer to bill, then moves into the invoice details section. Here, the invoice can be customized by inserting your company logo, choosing the currency, and entering the item or service name. The quantity and unit price are added, and the system automatically calculates the amount. This helps ensure speed and accuracy during invoice creation. Additional invoice settings can also be applied. The user can add a discount, set the tax percentage, include a tax number if needed, and write a clear invoice description so the customer understands exactly what the payment is for. Next, bank details are entered. This includes the bank name, account number, and account holder name. These details are important because they tell the customer where payment should be made. The user then sets the issue date and due date and can also add a signature to make the invoice look more official and professional. Once everything is completed, the invoice is submitted and processed. Spendify then generates the full invoice summary showing the total amount, tax, discount, banking information, invoice description, and signature in one organized view. If payment has been made, the user can also update the invoice by entering the amount paid. This helps track payment status and keeps the invoice record up to date. From the invoice details screen, the user has multiple options. They can view the invoice details, change the invoice template, download the invoice, or send it directly to the customer. Spendify also supports template customization. The user can open the template selection page, preview different invoice styles, and save the one that best fits their brand or preference. After selecting a template, the invoice preview updates accordingly. The invoice can then be downloaded and shared through available channels, such as email, messaging apps, or other device sharing options. Another powerful feature is receipt generation. Once an invoice exists, Spendify can automatically generate a receipt from that invoice. This gives users a fast way to produce proof of payment without starting from scratch. Overall, this process shows how Spendify makes invoice creation, editing, downloading, sending, template customization, and receipt generation simple, professional, and user-friendly. No matter what kind of small business you run, food, farming, fashion, beauty, retail, services, or side hustle, Spendify gives you a simple way to invoice customers, track payments, generate receipts, and present your business with confidence, clarity, and professionalism.